Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Sounds like girls, sounds like boys. Sounds like someone's making lots of noise. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Now, how much noise does a little girl need? Sounds like the whole city zoo got freed. Sounds like the bear is dancing with the moose. They like to dance when they're on the loose. Sounds like hippos at a hippo hop, or when you pick up a piano and you let it drop. Or 16 pumpkins falling off a truck, or a couple of gorillas playing duck, 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 goose. Bang, crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Like London Bridge is really falling down, or a couple of giants are sitting on a town, or 47 monkeys are talking on the phone to 47 dogs who are fighting for a bone. Bark, bark, bang, crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Sounds like a rodeo right upstairs, or a bunch of rhinos playing musical chairs. Sounds like a dump truck dumping its junk, or an elephant hoedown swing your trunk. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Sounds like girls, sounds like boys. Sounds like someone's making lots of noise. And the sign on her door says enter if you dare. So I just say, what's going on in there?
Nothing.
Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room. Crash, bang, boom. Something's going on in Nora's room.